I'm driving with one hand, so I can't go crazy, guys. Look, one hand. It's a 3-speed, but I can't open it up with one hand. It gets crazy on top end. It wants to lift on third gear if I go full throttle. This thing is a beast, guys. Gotta take it easy. I can't hit full throttle here, guys. This thing is a beast, guys, a beast. What do you guys think about my King XL? My King XL, baby. Twin LRP 32, 3-speed beast. Let me know, guys. Let me know what you think.